Ah, baby. NASA sure doesn't skimp on their boxes. This is some high quality cardboard right there. I'm excited to be the first one to review this. Even for air shipping, I mean, they got here fast. Oh, look at that. Some swag. Very nice. Now, while I am a fan of highly bright or reflective clothing, this will do a good job keeping the sun off. And look at that. Master logo right there. Winston, what do you think? Oh, they didn't. So thoughtful. I'm gonna have to move my rock pillow to the guest room. This is the good stuff. One ply, softer than dry seaweed for sure. I'm just gonna put that over here. Ooh, oh, I can't believe it. It's perfect.